What's up guys, back again with another interesting video, and today I won't be talking about any smartphone but we'll be reviewing the best 5 gadgets for iPhone 12 that you must have if you own an iPhone 12. So without wasting any time, let's get into it. First up we have this Baseus power station. Now this is not an ordinary power brick but it is extraordinary. It is a 2-in-1 gadget as it is a power brick and a power bank in itself, which can also charge your MacBook. Unboxing experience is really simple and great as well. First of all, we get to see this user manual and some kind of their thank you card. Then here is Type-C to Type-C charging cable, which is made up of super high quality, and a carry bag to carry your power brick anywhere with you. Then finally this huge power station. First of all, let's take this wrap off. And now you can see here in these shining digits that it is a 45 watts of adapter which can provide output of 18 watts plus 18 watts from both Type-C ports, and the power bank capacity is 10,000 milliamps. And here it comes with a UK plug, I think, if I'm not wrong, which can be easily moved back to fit in this brick, which is a nice thing. Then on pressing this power button, these lights indicate the remaining battery of power bank. This product is made up of really nice quality, and even the charging speeds were really great. I tested out both of these ports and they have performed same as the original power brick of 20 watts from Apple does. And this thing has also got a little bit of weight, which you will feel obviously when you're holding it. Well, Baseus also has this same power station with one Type-C and one Type-A port, and if you want to buy this or that, then I will leave the link in the description so that you can check out. Putting this in this carry bag, then you can have an idea that how convenient it would be to carry it while you are traveling or going somewhere. And now let's plug the iPhone 12 with this power bank and see if it works. Here you can see it just started to charge the phone, so this is really cool gadget and I think you must have if you own iPhone 12 or if you own a phone that supports PD charging. Next one is this dongle from Baseus again, and it is not only audio jack supported but also it has lightning port, which means it can also charge your phone. And again, the unboxing experience of these Baseus products feels so satisfying. We have a little booklet and this nicely packed dongle over here. Let's take it out, and here you can see this is made up of real metal from both sides, and this little wire is strong enough to survive through these such intense moves, as you can see. And now let me show you whether both of the ports work or not. So here I am connecting charger and handfrees collectively, and now let's place something. And as you guys can hear, the audio jack and the charging port both are working simultaneously and perfectly. You have to keep one thing in mind, that if you're willing to buy this dongle for gaming purposes, then you should go for other brands, as this dongle won't work in PUBG. I have tested it in PUBG personally. You can't use the mic option in PUBG and this hand freeze at same time. You have to use one at one time. So this was like a disappointing thing from this dongle. So this was the second best gadget in the list. Now let's find out what is the third one. So it is basically a car charger from Joyroom. This provides same charging speed which iPhone 12 can support, 20 watts actually. Really nice little box. Let's open it up. And here it is, the 20 watts Joyroom car charger. You can see the total output on it, which is 20 watts. So it has basically two ports, Type-A and Type-C, and this is what I also wanted on that power station from Baseus. But unfortunately Baseus didn't have that one at that time, and here are these two little strips to take out from the dock of car's charger. So that was the third gadget, and the fourth one is again a Baseus product, and it is basically a transparent case for iPhone 12. The back side of box contains some instructions. Again, pretty nice packaging and tightly packed case over here. As you can see, this case here, it looks really stunning, and applying this on iPhone 12, then it looks really dope. As you can see guys, that it looks actually really cool, that it fits perfectly on this iPhone 12. It doesn't even weigh that much. Everything is perfectly placed on it, like all of the physical buttons and holes for ports and speakers. So I would recommend you to buy this case if you are looking for transparent iPhone 12 case. The fifth and the last one is this Joyroom AirPods clone. Now as we know, these are the clones, but these are actually one of the best clones out there. These are newly launched from Joyroom and have almost same gestures and really loud sound quality. If you want to check out the full review of these Joyroom JRT13 AirPods clone, then you can go through the description link, or you can click at the top right I button. Talking about their connectivity, then they provide instant connection with already paired iPhone. As you can see, on opening the case of these AirPods, they get automatically connected with the phone. You can see the battery bar on the top along with the mobile's battery percentage, and you can also see the battery level over here on this widget if you have added one on your home screen. So these were the 5 best iPhone 12 gadgets that you should must have. I hope that you really enjoyed this video. If you did, then please smash that like button, and I'll see you in the next one.